Hello guys, I know it's been a while since I uploaded my last video, but I have a new puzzle box that I have made. Well, right here is your drawer. This side kinda looks like there might be something there. Wait, what's that thing? Wait, that doesn't make any sense. Okay. Huh, this looks like this could be pulled out. Wait. What the... Huh? Okay, this is weird. Well, what this actually is a type of safe in a sort of way. This here, these the sliders, you input a code in these, and I mean you'd have them out, and then once you input that code, press this and your drawer comes out. Must be that exact code. So let's get started. The first step is whacking out the space fillers, because those are unnecessary. Then right here, slide lock and the key. Then you go to this side, right here, put this in the hole, and you pull this long piece out. Then if you look here, wait a second, looks like there's something right there. Huh, little piece of paper. Wonder what it has written on it. Ooh, the code. So now insert your code. It's very specific, so I'm going to do it from the side. Red, white, blue, and you press this. Whenever you press it, your drawer comes out. Don't have anything in there right now. Sorry about that. My ideas just fell straight down. I'm gonna angle this platform differently. Okay. So, as I was saying, there's nothing in this box. I don't know what to stick in there, but you can't really see anything whenever you look in there. The only way that you can really see anything is by doing this. Loves to do it that way. Okay, fine. So, that is nothing. This is the mechanism right here. So these are your little sliders. This is the little thing that allows you to take and whenever you press it, these pieces will go through these slots. So as you can see, whenever it's right here, it doesn't line up. Move it out, it lines up, and you're able to press it through. So it's like that with all three. I'm going to try to put this back on. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna reset this thing. Roll this up. Put it on. Right there. Slide it in, pull that out, put that in its little pocket, close that, put in my space fillers, There. And done. Well, that is my newest puzzle box for you. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, let me restart. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave comments down in the comment section for anything you'd want me to do for a video. Yeah, so thanks for watching as always, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.